the way the moonlight dances in your eyes. And I know there'll be that moment the good Lord calls one of us home, and one won't have the other by their side. But heaven knows that won't last too long. Maybe some things last forever after all.
All right, so we got the machine loaded up on the trailer yesterday. It shut down in the middle of a dirt road back there that leads to irrigation field that we use. So I had to get it up out of the middle of the road because it blocked everything off. So we're going to take it down here to the cat place down here at Gregory Pool in Hope Mills and see who pushed the button and shut my machine off. Mama had it loaded up on the trailer. I don't want it sitting around. I might need it in them right quick. So we're having to pull it back here with the boom kind of sticking up, not sitting down on the trailer stable. I got it blocked up and got a chain on it. Some of the hydraulic fluid pressure leaked off of it overnight. Probably some of the swing too when you got them up in the air like that. Got pressure leaks off of that bucket. It kind of let it want to move a little bit sideways too, so we got it chained down. Still looks like it ain't real super stable back there. So we're just going to take the backwoods back up through here, and we're just going to take our time and scooter food up through the woods here until we get over there. We'll come back when we get up there and see what's going on. So you're going to try to set it right there where that broom's at? Yeah, basically. All right. So he got it on. He's going to take a lower over here and pick it up somehow. I'm going to get out and unstrap it. You work on them too, Terry? No. You You don't work on them?
I diagnose them and all that.
Yeah. I think it's something computer related.
Might just be a relay.
I didn't really get into all of it. I checked a couple of them, but the way it shut off abruptly, I got so much other stuff to work on, I'd bring it up here and let you hook it up.
Yeah, Justin does all that. I just the one that puts them all in the computer system.
Yeah. I mean, that bucket might be I'd watch it. It's been sitting there all night. It's got a little loose play in it. That board's holding it up. Yeah. I mean, how you been grabbing them off there like that? I mean, like where? Like, yeah, I can drag the ram. I don't care. I mean, I pull up. Just get it. Yeah, get it where you ain't doing no damage to it. I had. I mean, it's up pretty good. It leaked down a little bit, but it was hanging up about right where it was at when I strapped it down last night. But I had the chain tied on it when I come out this morning. It was a little loose. So I know it'd come down a little bit, but it ain't gonna come all the way down. Where it stopped at, it stopped right in the middle of my road where I go down and got an irrigation field. So I had to pick it up and get it out of the way. So I just went ahead and set it on the trailer. Boom truck, knuckle boom. I just hooked a couple straps to it, picked it up.
Yeah, I'll pick it up from the side. You want to go ahead and grab your chains up?
Yeah, I'll pull up. He's going to pick it up. I'm going to just pull from up under. When he picks it up, don't be standing in front of that boom there. Don't stand in front of that boom. Somebody been rough with that dang old machine there. Cut ahead. I don't even like the way that look. Where are you trying to get at? You picked them up like that before? You don't bend nothing? You want to go behind that ram? You want your fork to be behind that ram, don't you? Huh? Put it in that way once. It ain't gonna go in far enough like that. That's as far as that one there gonna go on that side. You want that one in some too? You slide it up. That's the way you do it. Slide it up, then slide it in. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I hope it's something minor wrong with this thing. I don't know what's wrong with it, but it happened abruptly that I got so much mess to work on that I wasn't even going to aggravate with trying to diagnose it. I'm just letting them do their thing and hook the computer up to it and go exactly to whatever it is. They got the tools out here to plug it in and tell you exactly where the problem's at. Come on in. Hold up. Yeah, you miss it. Come on in. Come on in. Go down. Just come in. Go down a little bit. Go down and tilt your fork just a little bit. Come on in. There you go. Come on in. Come on. Good right there. That's from the back of the plate to the back of the side of the counterweight. You about 3 or 4 inches. You might can tilt it down, level your bucket up, tilt it down. Right now, this here's tilt it like this a little bit. You tilt it back, go down a little bit, get in a little bit closer. That's about 3 or 4 inches away from the back of it. Yeah. You got it. I may try to ease up a little bit and let that boom rock off of that board right there where you got it holding there. There you go. About another inch, you'd be good. I walk off it right there. You are. We'll come out and get it. You good? Hey, you about 12 foot away from it. Come on. Come on. About 4 foot. 2 foot. 3 foot. You might be 3 foot from it. Close enough. Yeah. So you gonna be the one diagnostic, you think?
No, I put the diagnostic in. If you don't run, I already did it. Did the paperwork all of that. That's what I was doing on my phone.
So you put it in.
Yeah, I put it in. I put what you said was wrong with the machine.
Yeah.
And then what they'll do is they'll come out here and they'll hook up the laptop to
Link.
it
Yeah.
and the diagnostic to it, and then they'll your boys will get
Yeah.
dusted.
Well, it possibly could be a relay, something stopping the power from going to that thing, but I didn't know if it run through the ECM.
I worked for the Corps of Engineers for 18.5 years, and then I was an endurance engineer for Caterpillar for 4.5 years. So I can sort of somewhat right off the bat, as soon as you just see what it was.
Well, it possibly could be
something to start looking at.
Yeah, it's got you know, all that ECM and all that computer mess under there, and I got 6, 7, 8 trucks. Well, I just ain't got the time to be messing with it. I looked at the fuses, a couple of them, looked at a couple of relays. That I didn't see anything that had a relay right there up under the seat where it was for that display up there. I didn't really check them, but just they got my information up there.
Yeah.
Just whenever you find out what it is, just tell me, call me.
Yeah.
All right. Appreciate it.
All right.
Let's roll. cat place up here in Hope Mills. We're gonna let them hook up their laptops and data links and all that stuff to it. It's something electrical, whatever it is. I feel like it is. It could be. I don't think it's something as simple as a relay, but uh, it's possible. You know, it could be. I didn't really give it a whole lot of time checking it out yesterday. Uh, just for the simple fact, I got a lot of other stuff to do. I'd rather pay them to go straight to the problem than me waste a half a day trying to figure something out and still not come up with nothing. So, glad a fan ain't cutting off on this truck. Must be a pressure switch or something going bad on the fan on this truck because it won't cut off by the switch and it's below high operating temperature, so it shouldn't be running on its own. So we got another problem going on here with the truck. But when you work with trucks and machines and trailers, you got to be able to know how to fix some stuff, how to move around, or you'll definitely be out of business quick. Because if you have to bring everything to a place like this or to a truck shop, every time you have a little problem, they got a high shop rate, and they're going to make so much, per hour. They're going to charge a minimum amount of hours, regardless of what it is. They don't do nothing but put diesel fuel in something. So I can fix just about everything that needs to be fixed. But when it comes down to the computer, diagnosing the stuff with a laptop, I haven't got in a laptop messing with that stuff yet. I need to get me one. That's about all that I need. And I reckon I won't have a reason to bring stuff nowhere then. But for now, every once in a while, it feels pretty good just to bring something, let somebody else fix it, come out and pick it up and just run it. I don't get to do it very often, but every once in a while I will. So we're gonna go back. We're gonna drop this trailer, and hopefully they give me a call back in just a little bit. Got it back going.